New in our LS series is the Splash Pad. The Splash Pad features a unique multi-position rear lounger with easy adjusting dual backrests. The dual backrests can be moved to positions that allow for either forward or rearward facing, or forward and rearward facing at the same time. The backrest can also be placed completely flat to make a huge layout area. Designed and handcrafted in-house by our skilled furniture builders, the Splash Pad rear lounger incorporates our exclusive UltraFlow seat design for optimum ventilation and maximum storage. In 22 or 24-foot versions, the LS Splash Pad includes a long list of standard value-added amenities. Choose from an extensive list of options and dynamic colors to make this your Qwest pontoon. Check out our website, QwestPontoons.com, or visit your local Qwest Pontoons dealer.